People are gathering for the grand opening of the biggest business event in Xiamen, one of the first Chinese cities along the country's eastern coast that were open to international trade and foreign investment in the 1980s. The city benefited greatly from its position as a trade hub. Over the past 2 decades, more than 3.2 trillion yuan or $480 billion of investment or trade deals have been signed at this fair.
The logo of the China International Fair for Investment and Trade represents a key. For almost 20 years, the fair in Xiamen has been one of the most important platforms for international investors and traders seeking access to the China market. But as China becomes more open to the world, the question is, which door will this key open?
For over 24 years, China has been a top attraction for foreign investment among all developing economies, and now Chinese investors are seeking opportunities abroad. China's Ministry of Commerce, the key sponsor of the event, says the fair highlights the investment and business opportunities under the Belt and Road Initiative. The initiative was proposed by Chinese President Xi Jinping 3 years ago. It aims to improve connectivity between the developed and underdeveloped nations in Asia, Africa, and Europe.
3 years had passed, but 3 years is not a lot of time actually for an international initiative of this magnitude. So I think that in these 3 years, many important steps have been made, and in my view, things have been going faster than expected. So I'm quite optimistic about the success of the initiative.
People would still be asking what is going to happen, what is going to be built. Now, is it just a policy waiting for implementation, or is there a rail project or a port project or a new sea link that flows from this vision? And I think we need to get to that point.
Another feature is cross-border e-commerce, because smarter, more efficient, and internet-based e-commerce systems will be key to reinvigorating world trade. Boosting cross-border e-commerce was also one of the agreements at the G20 Hangzhou Summit. G20 leaders agreed to endorse the EWTP, or Electronic World Trade Platform, proposed by Jack Ma, the chairman of Alibaba Group.
To
put it simply, EWTP is global buy and global sell. The platform will not only help Chinese suppliers sell across the world, it will also help small and medium-sized companies in other countries. We aim to simplify and facilitate trade and make the whole trade process more transparent.
The
Xiamen Fair has attracted cross-border e-commerce companies from the U.S., Russia, Japan, India, Canada, and China, among others, seeking collaboration partners. Xing, CCTV, Xiamen, Fujian Province.